Number 7, axis of symmetry and then vertex. Axis of symmetry is our formula, negative b over 2a. It may be worth noting for some of you to try and remember this formula. This is the beginning of the quadratic formula. In fact, this is the quadratic formula just without the square root part. Negative b and over 2a. It's the same thing, they just took out the square root. So when I plug these things in, it looks a little crazy because I have negative 6. When I plug it in, it becomes positive 6. But on the bottom, I have 2 times 3 halves. I've got this fraction inside of a fraction. But if you do the multiplication on the bottom, I have my 6 on top. 2 times 3, multiplying the top, 2 times 3 is 6 over 2. What is 6 over 2? It's 3. So this is actually 6 divided by 3, which is 2. My axis of symmetry is a whole number 2 because 2 times 3 halves is 6 halves, which is 3 whole, and 6 over 3 is 2. That's the number I will then plug in for my vertex. So I plug in a 2. 2 squared is 4. 4 times 3 halves is 12 halves, which is 6. Then you subtract 6 times 2. I'll go ahead and write it out here. We have 3 halves, and I'm plugging in a 2. 2 squared is 4. 6 times 2 is 12. 4 times 3 halves is 12 halves. But 12 halves is just 6. 6 minus 12 is negative 6. Plus 5 is 1. So I have my vertex, I have my axis of symmetry.